We will be doing an activity to improve the gross motor skill of the child. As you can see, for that I have made two lines. One is a straight line and the another one is a small vertical line. Since I did not have colored tape with me, so I have used plain paper strip and pasted it with the help of sellotape. If you do not have the color tape, you can do the same. For performing the activity, the child should be dressed properly in comfortable clothes. The child can wear a yoga pant or a track pant and a comfortable t-shirt.
My name is Malvika Swami. I study in class 3B. Today I am going to walk in the straight line.
Next, the child can hop on these lines. To increase the level, the child can hop on one leg.
Change the leg.
This activity has two benefits. Firstly, the child learns to walk on a line and they also learn how to balance in different position. For the next activity, you are going to need two mats where the child will walk on the mats taking turn. This activity improves the hand-eye coordination, the concentration and the balancing skill of the child. For the next activity, we are going to use the Skittles and a bowling ball. If you do not have Skittles at home, you can make use of the plastic bottles or even the plastic containers or plastic glasses. For this, the child has to aim at the skittle and throw the ball. This improves the concentration of the child and it is also going to strengthen their hand and leg muscles. For the next activity, you are going to need some stuffed toys and a mat. You are going to place the stuffed toy on the mat and you are going to pull the mat. Now you are going to change the toy and come back to your original position. This activity is going to improve your hand-eye coordination, hand and leg movement, and also your concentration. For this again, we have made use of the Skittles. If you do not have the Skittles at home, you can make use of plastic bottles, plastic glasses, or even small plastic containers. You can also use stationery or different toys. Here, the child has to pick up different fruits and vegetables, and to the opposite side of this, we have placed some plates where the child will pick up different object and keep it in this plate according to the different categories. So this is how the child is going to sort out different objects, and by doing this activity the child can learn to differentiate different objects. For the next activity we are using a ball and a bowl. If you have a bucket or basket at home, you can always make use of it. In this, the child is going to aim at the bowl and is going to throw the ball in the bowl. If you do not have the ball at home, you can also use the stuffed toys. This activity improves the concentration, the accuracy, and it also helps them to aim their target.
Hello dear parents, as you all can see, you also can do like this. On your floor you can use color tape or color paper and make this type of zigzag pattern, and you all can ask your child to walk by following this pattern. Like this, slowly on the zigzag line. Small steps. Yes, very good, well done. This way you all can ask your child to walk. Excellent. Wow, so nicely you are doing, very good. So this way you all can develop your gross motor skills